This is the Red Moon Sicilian. Not a lot of people know about it, Pete, but I have the mayor of Forked River many years today, and he has a genetically inclined palate also from Sicily. Pete, I can't wait to get your reaction of this Sicilian pie at Red Moon in Lakewood.
It looks wonderful. Can't wait to taste it.
And how's the ambiance in here? I mean, the chandeliers from 1978, I think.
70s wood panel, the old Italian portraits on the wall.
Yeah, you noticed this one on the wall here, right?
I did. I think I had that one back in '73 when I was a little tyke running around Staten Island.
Well, let me tell you, this
spot.
Yeah, I mean, Frank's recipe is the sauce comes from his family in Brooklyn. The ovens are from Brooklyn, and it's very special. And I got Frank here with us, and Frank, we're going to take a nice photo together. Frank, what year did you start here in Lakewood?
1972 in February.
1972 in February. And you're open every day?
Every day.
Every day.
Yeah.
Excellent, Frank. Excellent. We're going to get a picture now.